Welcome back students to Smashub web development course. In this tutorial, you will learn about HTML colors. HTML colors are specified either by predefined color names or by using the RGB, hex or HSL values. First, we will see the color names. In this, color is simply defined using its color name. For example, we have written the code where in the first header tag we have used styling of background color, while in the second header tag we have used text color, but in the third header tag we want a colored border to be drawn around the text written. Now when we run this code, we will see this is the output. Here background color, here text is colored, and here we can see a border. Next is RGB color value that represents red, green and blue. RGBA color value is an extension to RGB with an extra alpha channel, that means opacity. The syntax of RGB is red, green, blue. While the syntax of RGBA is red, green, blue, alpha, where the value of alpha can be between 0.0 that is fully transparent and 1.0 that is opaque. In the previous code, we have added styling of two more headers with RGB and RGBA values. Now when we run this code, we will see this is the output. Here RGB and here RGBA styles have been implemented. After this is HSL, which stands for hue, saturation and lightness, while HSL color values are an extension of HSL with an alpha channel, that is opacity. The syntax of HSL is hue, saturation, lightness, while the syntax of HSLA is hue, saturation, lightness, alpha, where the alpha parameters are same as that of RGBA. Again, in the previous code, we have added styling of two more headers with HSL and HSLA values respectively. Now when we run the code, we see the output. This is the HSL styling, while HSL styling which is slightly lighter than the HSL because we have used the HSL value 0.8. In the last are the HTML hex colors. A hexadecimal color is represented with RR, GG, BB, where hexadecimal integers specify the components of the colors. The values are between 00 and FF, which is same as decimal 0 to 255. In the previous code, we have added styling of two more headers with different hex values. Now let us see the output. Here we can see this is much more darker and this is the lighter color because of the different hex values we have used. So this is how different color codes can be applied for using colors in HTML documents. Thank you.